Hi everyone, Edwin here, and it's time for the news. Rwanda, Africa's exemplary country, they have unveiled or launched a smartphone manufacturing company right here in Africa. They have a target of producing 2 million devices every year. These guys are actually sorting out their own stuff. We're talking designing, testing, tweaking, and distribution. All of that is happening in-house. So to kick things off, they're launching two lines of their smartphones. There is the Mara X and the Mara Z. The prices for these will be 130 and 190 USD respectively, so relatively budget smartphones there, but are the specs budget? So the Mara X is bottom of the food chain. It comes with 1 gigs of RAM and 16 gigs of internal storage. It's got a 5.5-inch HD plus display. It's got 13 megapixel rear camera and a 5 megapixel front camera. It also comes with a 3500 milliampere battery, and running things on the OS side will be Android 8.1 Oreo, the Go edition. You won't tell the difference from a fully fledged Android phone with like 3 gigs of RAM. Speaking of 3 gigs of RAM, we've got the Mara Z. That's more of their more premium offering, the one that's going for 190 US dollars. That one's gonna come with a 5.7-inch HD plus display, a 13 megapixel front and rear camera, a slightly smaller 3075 milliampere battery, slightly smaller than the Mara X, and also it'll come with the full-blown Android 8.0. At the current moment, these smartphones are being manufactured and sold in Rwanda, but they do have plans to expand to other countries, and these include Angola, DRC, and Kenya. Now, bringing the story home to the motherland, we have our very own Miss Red launching an advertising campaign on her Twitter page. And the total cost of this? Absolutely nothing. So the name of this campaign is called Red Market Sunday, hashtag Red Market Sunday, in case you guys want to follow it up and see what's going on there. So basically it's a Twitter hashtag that SMEs in Zim can use to market their stuff. So if I have my own company, let's say TechZim, and I want to market my TechZim company on social media, I can just create a post, and then in that post I will add my company's details, what it does, its name, and also include the hashtag Red Market Sunday. And just by doing that, Miss Red will go through those posts, and then the posts that seem really relevant, really serious, I guess, are the posts that she will retweet. And considering that her account is like 97,000 followers, this is like a potential 97K set of eyeballs that's gonna be viewing your post. So it is a very nice initiative that Miss Red is doing there. If you don't follow her here, why not? Just follow her at iMissRed. Considering influencers charge for this service, yeah, it's a pleasure to see Miss Red just doing it for free. On to another free thing that is in the motherland, Sasai. So Econet for the longest time has been notorious with spamming people with their promotional material, with their new stuff that they're launching, with anything that they're trying basically. And the latest one on these has been Sasai. Sasai has been sending messages left, right, and center. Either you're getting free data to install the app, or you're getting some free money through your EcoCash for installing the app, or you're just being informed that your buddy is enjoying the app and you should download it too. How do they know that this person is my buddy? That has been the controversy. Some people are claiming this is invading people's privacy. How do they know that this person in their contact list is their friend, and how are they using that information to target this app of theirs to promote it to other people? There's been a lot of backlash, a lot of posts left, right, and center. Go to Twitter, go to Instagram, go on Facebook. Everyone is just shouting at Econet to just tone it down a bit on the promo material. So hopefully they will resolve that issue soon. While on the subject of friends, PlayStation has officially confirmed that the PlayStation 5 will be coming in 2020. So all of my console gaming friends, you will be able to enjoy the PlayStation 5 around this time next year. And it's coming with a lot of new features. I mean, this is the next gen, the 5th gen PlayStation, so it comes with new generation features, which are really cool apparently. So the controller gets some new good vibrations. They're getting rid of that, raggedy grr type vibration motor, and they're going to be introducing some vibration that is a more realistic feedback to what's happening in the game. So it'll also come with adaptive L2 and R2 triggers, and these are going to have like adjustable pressure sensitivity, which is awesome because you can adjust the pressure sensitivity of those R2 and L2 keys to suit the game that you're playing, which I think is pretty insane for a controller. It's also going to come with USB-C connectivity. Hey, USB-C everything is going to have a bigger battery because, well, yeah, bigger battery is always better whenever you're gaming. You have to outlast the competition. It'll also come with enhanced speakers, which I'm not too sure of. I mean, I don't own a PlayStation 4, but I have a buddy who owns it, who actually wrote a piece on this confirmation of the PlayStation 5. And yeah, in his comments, he was mentioning that he's never really used the speakers that come on the controller. So it'll be interesting to see how many of you guys who have PlayStation 4s are actually using the speaker feature on that DualShock 4. And the absolute win here, I mean, you can't just improve the hardware and not the other hardware. I'm talking about the GPU that will be running games in this thing, and this GPU is said to be coming with ray tracing features. If it comes with ray tracing, it means these guys will be using one of NVIDIA's RTX graphics, which is going to be pretty awesome for very, very beautiful graphics. I'm talking reflections on reflections. It's going to be amazing. So I don't know how many of you are hyped up about this PlayStation 5 launch. Just hit us up in the comments. This has been the news. If you're running low on data, well, I have to say we have you covered. Just send the message airtime on this number right here, and you can buy any airtime for any network using EcoCash. It's convenient, it's on WhatsApp, you know. Share the love. See you next Friday.